Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sam here, and today I'm finally going to be swapping my summer wheels back on the E46. In case you were wondering how good the storage is on the E46, here you go. I was able to fit all 4 of my 19-inch rims and the jack and all the tools that I'm going to need to swap the wheels. So these wheels have been in storage since about November, and they're all in good shape except for this one, which was stored with a foam seat on top of it, and as you guys can probably see, it looks like some of the foam came off onto the wheel, so I'm gonna have to try to clean that up later. I'm not gonna do that right now, but definitely try to do that at some point. Alright, so I took the front passenger wheel off so you guys can get a better look at. Here's the old one. It's a 17-inch 205 tire, and I'm going to be swapping on this 19 235 tire in the front, 255 tires in the back. I'm going to go ahead now and take that emblem out and swap it in. All the wheels are on, I can go ahead and tighten them down with a torque wrench to 87 foot-pounds. right, so I got all 4 wheels tightened down. I'm gonna let the shock settle a little bit so the fitment gets better. Looks kind of like a monster truck right now. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of wheels you guys have on your E46s. And let me know if you like mine. These are CSL 19-inch M3 replicas. They used to be silver, but I painted them black, as you can kind of tell on the edges of it. But I really like these wheels. They're great they look good. Leave a comment down below what kind of wheels you guys have on your E46s, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.